Are you dealing with Threat Protection Pro blocking websites and causing annoying connection lag on your PC? This video delivers the permanent fix right now. Many users struggle with security software, mistakenly flagging legitimate sites or slowing down their internet. But we're going to resolve that today. First, let's dive into Method 1, adjusting your Threat Protection Pro settings. Open the software, navigate to your firewall options, and carefully review the blocked websites list. Remove any sites you know are safe and add them to your trusted exceptions. This often clears immediate access issues by telling your software what to allow. If that first step doesn't clear the error, the issue usually stems deeper in system permissions or outdated drivers, which brings us to Method 2, optimizing your PC's network adapter. Head to Device Manager, find your network adapter, right-click for Properties, and crucially uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power under Power Management. Keeping your adapter fully powered prevents intermittent connection issues. Still facing problems? Method 3 involves temporarily disabling specific Threat Protection Pro modules. Carefully disable web protection or firewall components one by one, testing after each change to pinpoint the exact module causing the block or lag. This diagnostic step is vital. Finally, if all else fails, Method 4 is a clean reinstall. Completely uninstall Threat Protection Pro, download the latest version directly, and perform a fresh installation. This ensures you're running the most stable, bug-free version, often resolving stubborn conflicts. Get your PC running smoothly again